This is A Course of Love, reading number 61. We will begin with the last paragraph of reading 60 and begin this chapter called Origin of Separation. Origin of Separation. You exist quite simply because of your relationship with love. Love is the unity you seek. In having chosen separation over unity, you but chose fear over love. When you let go of fear and invite unity to return, you but send out an invitation to love and say you are welcome here. What is a dinner party where love is not? It is merely a social obligation. But a dinner party where love is welcome to take its place becomes a celebration. Your table becomes an altar to the Lord, and grace is upon it, and the Lord is with you. Chapter 12, Origin of Separation. Your word love is part of your problem with this course. If I were to take the word love and change it to some sophisticated-sounding technical term and say that this is the stuff that binds the world together in unity, it would be easier for you to accept. If I were to say you know not of this sophisticated term, and this is why you have believed in your separation rather than in your unity with all things, you would be far more likely to nod your head and say, I was but ignorant of this, as was everyone else. If a scientist were to tell you that a benign energy had been found that proved your connection to everything in the universe and gave it some fancy name, you would say, a new discovery has been found and I'm willing to believe it may be true, especially if others are also going to believe it's true. You feel a little duped at being told love is the answer. You feel a little chastised to be told you know not love. You feel a little deceived to think that love may not be limited to what you have thought it to be. You think it is typically of a spiritual text to tell you love is the answer. And if it has not been said before, this message was preached long ago, and still the world remains the same. How could this be the correct answer when this is so? Life is too complicated to be solved by love. How quickly you would return to cynicism and to believing you have already tried and failed. For all of you believe that you have tried this idea called love, and all of you believe you have evidence that this is not the answer at all. What is your evidence? Your own failure to be happy and the unhappiness of the world you see. We have said before that the only meaning possible for your free will is your choice of what to join with and your choice of what to leave outside of yourself. Yet you must understand that nothing that is part of God is worthy of joining, nor can join with you. Nothing that is not part of God is worthy of joining, nor can join with you. What you have sought to join with is the reason for your unhappiness. For you seek to joy with what cannot be joined, and you seek separation from all that could be joined with, and all that would fill your darkness and lonely places with the happiness you seek. This course may seem to have come far astray from what you would have it do, for you are looking for something specific from it, though you know it not. You are looking for the rest and quiet joy that only comes from love. You're looking for the safety and security of a loving home, even if it is only one of philosophy. You look for the soft assurance of certainty, not of your mind, but of your heart. There is part of you that thinks, if I could just be sure, and stops there. For you are not even sure of what it is you seek assurance. And yet you know what tires you most is your inability to be certain of anything. And you are tired indeed. And that was reading 61 of A Course of Love. Take your big breath in, release, and enjoy today.